stage.
Today was such a beautiful day, and we want to say a big thank you to our dear management and our principal for giving us this wonderful annual day.
We also want to thank all our parents for cheering for us, supporting us, and being so patient throughout the whole program. You are our biggest strength.
A big thanks to our teachers for holding our hands, helping us practice, fixing our costumes, and always encouraging us with a smile.
A special thank you to our choreographers for teaching us all the dances and making us shine.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
A big thank you to our dear friends for your wonderful performances. You made the stage shine today.
This is not a final goodbye. The second part of Norby Lumina will be continued on 20th December.
Please to join us for the same. Until then, goodbye. Have a pleasant night.
ಸೂರ್ಯ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ,
ತವರಿಗೆ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ.
children please come near the stage.